Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Yeah, the QNT chart looked as if it wanted to move higher in recent days already. Failed so far. However, don't worry, support is still holding. Okay, so we're going to talk about this structure here particularly. The idea on the QNT chart is that possibly a low has formed and the price bottomed here in October. Since then, we've seen a series of 5-wave movements to the upside. We had here 5 waves up in a wave 1, 3 waves down in a wave 2 into our support area. 5 waves up in wave 1 of wave 3, 3 waves down in our support area. So these two trading areas were triggered and did lead to profitable trades for anybody who found an entry there. And then we had another 5-wave move to the upside, which I call wave 3 of 3. And now we have another dip into our trading area, the next one in wave 4 of 3. And we could get one more high in wave 5 of 3. So if I take those lines out and we zoom in, one more high is what I would like to see in this structure. It would look better with one more high. And also it's basically needed to complete circle wave 3. If we talk about the next targets to the upside, I'd like to see the 200% extension or the 2.382 extension between $166 and $182. That would be an ideal target for wave 5. QNT likes to extend, so don't be surprised if it goes higher than that. But obviously, we've had an initial reaction to that important 38.2 retracement level already a week ago or so. And the price tried to run to the upside, but it failed, so it didn't break higher. And it was only a 3-wave rally. Came down again. It's only a 3-wave pullback. So I'm thinking, what is this? Okay, so the main support hasn't changed. So the situation hasn't changed. It wasn't even a fake out because it hasn't broken above the previous high. It was literally just a corrective rally. No problem. So could it be maybe a triangle? I mean, that's what I'm observing here. Wave 4s can be triangles. So this could be an A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, D, E. And it could get another lower high, higher low. It's just something I'm observing. There's a very clear invalidation point for this thesis, which is here, the $131.30 level. That has to do with the subdivisions within an Elliott wave triangle. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. You see that the price is forming lower highs and higher lows, something that's very characteristic for such an Elliott wave triangle. By the way, I want to take out that red box. We don't need that anymore. And we're dealing with a situation in which we have an A wave down, a B wave up, C wave down, and we could get this D wave now and maybe an E wave. Obviously, those triangles are always to a degree speculative because they can be quite complex and people tend to see triangles too early, yeah, and label something as a triangle. But the thing is, these triangles, they tend to morph, they tend to change. And however, you know, this is at the moment a possible triangle in the making. So if we see a lower high and a higher low, that could be the completion of a triangle. And then the movement to the upside could occur from there. Important breakout point will be the high of the B wave at $153.24. Even if we break below this C wave low, it's the A wave low actually, this invalidation point there, which is again at $131.30. There is still the $126 level as support on the chart that can offer support. And also it's this previous trend line that also runs through this support area and might provide some additional support here. But that, I mean, looking at that, this could take a while until it's finished, just saying. But we'll see. I mean, against the $126 level, the focus can be on higher towards, I mean, I would say minimally $158, but better $166 plus. That's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.